I like to wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. The more we grow, the more we realize what a significant role teachers played in our life and how they help us to learn and grow. Thank you so much for all the wonderful things and great value that you taught us. We will be always thankful to you. Once again, happy Teachers' Day.
Greetings for the day. I hope this message finds you well. This side, Hariom Mishra. As I reflect on my school days, I can't help but feel a deep sense of nostalgia. Those years were like a second home to me, a place where I not only learned academically but also grew personally. Each classroom, every teacher, and all my classmates played a significant role in shaping who I am today. I personally cherish those memories and the valuable lessons I gained both inside and outside the classroom. I wish you could experience a fraction of that joy and growth. Here's to all the cherished moments and the everlasting impact of our formative years. I wish a very happy Teachers' Day. Your dedication and passion have left a lasting impact on my life. The wisdom and encouragement you have shared have guided me and helped me grow in countless ways. And I heartily thank you for being an inspiring mentor and a remarkable teacher. Again, wishing you a day filled with the appreciation and joy you truly deserve. Wish you a happy Teachers' Day.
हरिओम, मेरा नाम वेंकटेश्वर गुत्रे, मैं शंकराचार्य जी गुरुकुल का भूतपूर्व विद्यार्थी हूँ। मैं इस गुरुकुल परिवार से 2018 में जुड़ा था, जहाँ से मैंने 12th भी पास आउट करी है। गुरुकुल के मेरे ये जो 4 साल थे वो मेरे जीवन के काफ़ी यादगार साल भी है, क्योंकि जहाँ पे मेरे को अच्छे दोस्त मिले, काफ़ी अच्छे टीचर मिले जिन्होंने मेरे को हर परिस्थितियों में साथ दिया, जिन्होंने कब हमें डांटा, हमें मारा, हमें हमारी हर गलतियों पे हमें माफ़ भी किया, हमें समझाया कि ऐसा करना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, जिनकी बदौलत आज हम लोग काफ़ी आगे बढ़ चुके हैं। जहाँ से हमारी गुरुकुल की काफ़ी अच्छी यादें भी है। जैसे हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैम हमको जो मारते थे, हमारी और मतलब हमारे काफ़ी सारे, जो सारे टीचरों का नाम तो नहीं ले पाएंगे, बट सारे टीचरों ने हमारे जीवन में काफ़ी कुछ अपना योगदान दिया है। हर टीचर ने अपने स्तर पे हमें काफ़ी कुछ समझाया है कि लाइफ में ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए। इसी बदौलत आज हम लोग काफ़ी आगे बढ़ चुके हैं। और मैं अभी फ़िलहाल तो मैं अपना ही बताऊं तो मैं अभी नीट क्वालिफाई करके MBBS का ये फर्स्ट ईयर में अभी जाने वाला हूँ। ये सारे गुरुकुल के बदौलत है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हमको अच्छे शिक्षा मिली, अच्छे संस्कार मिले। वहाँ की जो वातावरण है, वहाँ का जो मतलब वातावरण ही कह सकते हैं, जो भी है, काफ़ी हमारा सहयोग करा। और ये सारा हमारे शिक्षकों द्वारा ही कह सकते हैं, उन्हीं की बदौलत आज हम इतना आगे हैं। और इसीलिए हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। और आप सभी शिक्षकों को टीचर्स डे की काफ़ी शुभकामनाएं। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
हरिओम, मैं कृष्णनाथ, मेरी तरफ से आप सभी को हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Hariom to all, it's Ayush this side. A very happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. It's a very special day, and I think I would have enjoyed it much more if I would have been over there in Gurukul itself. But yeah, today is the day when I can truly remember the 3 special years of my life from my hostel life in Gurukul. In words, I can't express how much love, affection, care, and everything the teachers have given me, how much they have praised me, how much they have loved me, how much they have tried to uplift me in all fields possible. What all things the teachers have done to me are something which can't be expressed in words. There are many instances in those 3 years which have happened, which when I remember these things, then I think that Ayush, this is what teachers are for, this is what teachers do, this is what in general teachers don't do, but the teachers in Gurukul do. One thing I can remember that after Diwali vacations, I came from home, and like every other kid, I had some edible stuffs from my home with me. There were some packed things also, and many more things. So it didn't got caught initially, but later after 10 to 15 days, it got caught. And just 15 days next to the day when it got caught, we had 15-20 days next, we had our annual function on 25th of December. On 20th December, I got diagnosed with double typhoid. So everything was like, for me it was like a big shock, because I had 3 speeches for annual function, 2 skits to perform, 1 Malcolm performance, and I had a role, I can say a major role in art and craft section for me, because I had done the most part. So I was like, that teachers would come to me, they would ask me what has happened, but I didn't know that what exactly would happen. I knew Principal Ma'am would come, and I thought that she might scold me a lot. But it happened like truly the vice versa of it. Ma'am came to me, and what she had in her hands was khajur ki kheer, because she got to know that I was not in mood of eating anything else. So ma'am brought khajur ki kheer for me, and shout out to ma'am. That was the first time I had it, and the very last time I had it, I never had it again. And that was the best thing I had. That was one of the best things I had in my entire life. That was too tasty, ma'am. Thanks for it. This is one of the instances that when you think that teachers would behave the other way, but the affection they have, the well-wishing behavior the teachers have in them, especially the teachers in Gurukul they have in them, is something you can't express in words. Something actually beyond words, beyond this world, I can say. It's just one instance, and if I keep on expressing these things, these instances, then I think the video might get very long. I have had instances with each and every teacher, like every one of them. Shraddha ma'am, Pooja ma'am, Damayanti ma'am, Jyoti ma'am, Simran ma'am, Trapti ma'am, Samya. Everyone has done some sort of act of kindness, which I appreciate till date. That if they would have not done that thing, then I think that my way of looking towards the world would have been slightly lower, slightly not this better. Even today, when the outer world is so harsh, if I have the confidence in me that goodness lies today also, then it's just because I have seen them in the form of God, or whatever you can say, that performing acts of kindness, anything you can say. So it's just because of this. Now I used to keep on saying if I have to appreciate them. But I'm very happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. I can't express how much you have given me, how much space all of you have in my heart. I just can't express it in words, but truly believe me that I have learned a lot from you, and I will keep loving you. I need your blessings till date, and once again at the end, a very 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 happy Teachers Day to you all. Thank you.
हरिओम, मेरा नाम राहुल अखाड़े। सभी टीचर को मेरे तरफ से हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Hariom, this is Deep Kumar Gupta, wishing a happy Teachers Day to all my respected teachers. Dear teachers, thank you for continually inspires me to do my best. I found love, support, discipline, friendship, everything in one person, and that person is you. Again, happy Teachers Day.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू ऑल टीचर्स। थैंक यू जो भी आपने हमारे लिए किया। आप ही के कारण आज हम हमारे जीवन को सही राह पर चला पा रहे हैं। आप ही ने हमें ऊंचाइयों पर बढ़ने की बहुत प्रेरणा दी, बहुत शिक्षा दी, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। आपका ये एहसान मैं कभी नहीं भूलूँगा। जो भी आपने किया हमारे लिए, जो 6 साल आपने हमारे साथ बिताए, वो 6 साल आज मेरे लिए बहुत प्रीशियस मेमोरी की तरह है। उसे मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकता। जो समय आपने हमारे साथ बिताया, अपना काम छोड़ के हमारे साथ बैठ के अपना अच्छे अच्छे अनुभव बताए, अच्छे अच्छे ज्ञान की बातें सिखाए, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत थैंक यू। और एक स्पेशल थैंक्स प्रिंसिपल मैम को, जिन्होंने हमारी बहुत बातों को रखकर हमें फिर भी एक अच्छे नज़रिए से देखा, बहुत बुरी बातों को। उनको पता था कि हम ऐसे थे, फिर भी उन्होंने उस तरह से हमको नहीं देखा और फिर भी हमें अच्छा बनाया। उसके लिए बहुत थैंक यू। और आपकी एडवाइस के कारण आज भी मैं उतना ही हंस के और खुल के रहता हूँ जैसा मैं हॉस्टल में रहता था। थैंक यू। मेरा नाम इंद्रजीत #कमला।
Hello and Hariom to everyone. I am Shri Hari Revannavar, an ex-student of Sant Shri Asharamji Gurukul, Indore. I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers Day from my side and my whole batch. So teachers, you made me and my whole batch a great batch because we had a 100% success ratio in our batch. Nobody had failed in our class. We and our batchmates achieved a great success.
Hariom, I Shivam Mehra, ex-student for Sant Shri Asharamji Gurukul. Happy Teachers Day, all my dear teachers, and my favorite teacher, one and only the best teacher of my life. She is our principal ma'am. Thank you ma'am for coming my life and teaching me. Your dedication and passion for teaching are truly inspiring me and other students. I admire your ability to make complex concepts make seem simple. I feel lucky to have had you as a teacher and role model. Happy Teachers Day ma'am. Thank you ma'am for.
हरिओम, मैं ओम शिंदे, संत श्री आश्रम जी गुरुकुल का पूर्व छात्र। आप ही के प्रयासों का परिणाम आपके मार्गदर्शन से आज मैं काबिल बना हूँ। मुझे आज भी गुरुकुल और आप टीचर्स की बहुत याद आती है। On this day, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day.
हरिओम, मेरा नाम ऋषि दुबे। मैं आप सभी टीचर्स के लिए कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। आपने बनाया मुझे योग्य कि प्राप्त करूँ मैं अपना लक्ष्य। दिया है हर समय आपने सहारा, जब भी मुझे लगा मैं हारा। देते हैं शिक्षा शिक्षक हमारे, नमन चरणे गुरु तुम्हारे। बिना शिक्षा सूना जीवन है, शिक्षित जीवन सदा नवजीवन है। शिक्षित जीवन सदा नवजीवन है। शिक्षक दिवस की आप सभी को बधाई। हरिओम।